can leverage Zillow to find profitable properties and Airbnb to generate rental income. By combining these platforms, you can create a steady cash flow through short-term rentals. Here's how. Find profitable properties on Zillow. Search for investment properties. Use Zillow to find properties in high-demand, tourist-friendly areas with affordable prices and low property taxes. Analyze market trends. Look for homes in growing markets by reviewing property appreciation, nearby attractions, and average rental prices. Target for sale by owner or foreclosures. These properties often come at a lower price, increasing your potential profit. List the property on Airbnb. Rent or buy the property. You can either purchase a home or work with property owners to manage their property for a share of the profit. Create an attractive Airbnb listing. Take high-quality photos, write a compelling description, and highlight amenities. Maximize profits. Dynamic pricing. Adjust prices based on seasonality and local events to maximize occupancy. Optimize guest experience. Provide excellent customer service and amenities to earn 5-star reviews and increase bookings.